So I'm going to be teaching you how to make a slip knot. You're going to take the yarn end, wrap it around 2 of your fingers, wrap it around a second time, just like I did right here, and hold on to it with your ring finger. Take your hook, go underneath the first loop, and you're going to go over. You see how the hook is facing down, over the second loop, and you're going to pull that second loop underneath that first loop. Hold on to the loop that is on your hook. Grab the 2 yarn ends and pull. And that is your slip knot. You tighten it up. Now I'm going to show you how to do it one more time. Hold the yarn end, loop over once, loop over twice, underneath, over, and through. Hold on to the loop on your hook, take your finger out, pull on the 2 other ends, and tighten it.